I'm showing a major firewall breach at the plant.
Propagate apex predator function.
Whenever one of these things comes in contact with a mechanical device, turn into a hunt and kill robot.
You need to evacuate the plant immediately!
It's war again. Set to turn every piece of tech into a Q-bot within 12 hours.
Nothing digital is safe.
They're taking the form of robotic lions.
My 2 kids are trapped inside the Van Rybrook Center.
Let's go.
We're gonna need all the help we can get.
Found a way to hack them?
What if we turn the Z-bots back on?
Heading into the headquarters with friendly Z-bots.
These things are everywhere.
It's acquiring everything it can.
This new organism will be able to kill every living thing on Earth.
Total convergence.